on this 1 minute live model. Momentum is, you can see what's going on here. It is totally oversold right now, has lost all the momentum. RSI is also indicating it's losing some strength there, just getting support from its 20-day moving average. So based on how it has performed just in this live session, just if in the last few minutes, we think it has the potential to reach, let's see, let's add this, the current price is 1.77 or 1.78. So okay, no, okay, plus 1.78. It has a potential to reach $2, which it almost did in this session already. So we have a price target for the stock at $2, and we obviously know it has this. The news is that yes, the news is, let's get the news for RWLK. The FDA awards breakthrough device designation to RWLK Robotics soft exosuits. That's what's behind this extension we're looking at right now. So this news came out yesterday, at the end of the session. So yes, we have a price target for the stock at $2, and let's quickly have a look at the options and see whether we can refresh and see what's going on there. Refresh all quotes. Okay, still maintaining a price of 15 cents per contract. Per option, obviously contract will be $15. So that's what we have here. RWLK Robotics up 37.21% in this pre-market session. Sorry, in this live session rather. Sorry about that. So will it reach $2? Well, we can't say for sure. Right now it is pulling back because it ran up this huge extension. Got resistance there. I mean, obviously this is what is expected. You know, broke through all of its moving averages, reached this level. It will always pull back, and that's what's going on right now. So let's look at ASRT. ASRT Assessio Holdings up 1.315, a gain of 19.82%. Okay, broke through its 10-day moving average, but didn't reach its 20-day moving average, and it's extending now, strongly bullish. So let's see whether we can determine a what is it called, a price target for ASRT. You can see it's still gaining now, 20.5%, strongly bullish and extending. Is it optionable? Let's see. Optionable, yes. Penny stock optionable. Always very good. Always very good. See, the options have gained some value as well, trading at 50 cents. So it's going to cost you $50 to buy one contract, but it's not as liquid as the other stock. You can see the spread between the ask and the bid. It's a huge 20 cents. So just be careful with this one. Not as liquid. The options are not as liquid. So let's return and see what's been going on with ASRT while that is loading up. You can see it has lost some value, lost about roughly 1% or thereabouts, pulling back now, pulling back and getting support from its 10-day moving average, and the 20 days also catching up as well on this 1 minute live model. So let's see if we can determine a price target for ASRT. Okay, let's see. It reached this high of $1.34, and then this low of 1.28, 1.34 and 1.28. 1.34 minus 1.28, we get 0.06. Not a very huge margin. That means there's a chance it's not really going to extend based on what we're looking at. It may not extend that much. Times 1.618 is 0.097 or roughly 0.1 approximately. Let's see what the volatility looks like. 244. Okay, so we can increase the volatility. We can increase the Fibonacci extension number we just used, 0.06 times 2.618 will give us 0.1578. So if we add this to the current price of 1.33 plus 1.33, we have a target of 1.49. Can it get to 1.49? Yes, there's every likelihood that can happen. Yes, there's every likelihood that can happen. So before, let's return to RWLK. We have a price target of $2 for RWLK. Up for, okay, you can see it's gaining some strength as well. The gain is now 42.25, but that is also, that's not, it actually gained more. At some point it reached 1.9398. Momentum is improving, very strong. Overbought, okay, not overbought yet now, but RSI is also strong. Things are keeping up. The stock is RWLK is keeping up very well. This is a 1 minute live session for RWLK, ASRT as well. Okay, our ASRT is getting support from its volume weighted average price or something like that. Okay, let's see whether we can get some volumes right now for our WLK. So this is, I think this should be the live volume right now. Is that the live volume? See, up volume is 432,516. So far at this level, the stock has been purchased more on the upward trend and slightly less on the downward trend. Purchased or sold, as the case may be. So that's why we have up volume of 435,916, down volume of 266,987. So yes, so far they are mostly buying on the uptrend, mostly buying or selling at the uptrend for ASRT. Let's quickly have a look at RWLK. Let's see where it is. Where is it right now? This is about where it is. So this will give us the volumes. So 5 million. Okay, the down volume is also quite active. The down volume, that is transactions going on the downward trend, upward trend. Both of them are flickering. So the stock is just slightly. It's just nowhere, just going nowhere at the moment. Just they're consolidating. Round up this huge gain up to 1.93 and pull back just slightly below its 10 and 20-day moving average. We have a target of $1.2 for RWLK. It has reached 1.93. Can it get to $2? There's every chance it can. There's every chance it can. For ASRT, what was the price target again? We have a price target of 1.487. Can it get there? Yeah, there's every chance as well it can get there. Okay, thank you very much.